for religious liberty in the state of Texas.
Yeah, last year, San Antonio City Council voted to block Chick-Fil-A from opening in the city's airport, claiming the company has a legacy of anti-LGBTQ behavior.
After a nearly 18-month-long battle, the FAA just ruled in favor of Chick-fil-A. Here to react is Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. Mr. Attorney General, thank you very much for being here, and congratulations on this. It's great to see that religious liberty can still reign in America and certainly in Texas. What happened? Update our viewers on what happened in this case and how it's been resolved.
So it was probably last year, sometime early last year, that the San Antonio City Council decided to exclude Chick-fil-A, a very well-performing restaurant, one of the top-performing restaurants in the country, from their airport based on their support of organizations like Salvation Army. So we started our investigation. We asked the FAA, actually the Department of Transportation, to investigate, and the result was they came back recently with a letter to us and telling us that they were offering, that now San Antonio was offering a lease to Chick-fil-A.
Attorney General, this decision is enormously important in the way of religious freedom. Talk a little bit about why that is and what message this sends to other states that may be facing similar challenges.
Yeah, you bring up a really good point. That's why this was so important, because it wasn't just one restaurant in one airport in San Antonio. If this was allowed to occur, then this could happen all over the country. City councils or other governmental entities could just decide they didn't like your personal views on whatever related to your religious faith and stop you from having a business. That is a violation of our First Amendment rights. And so if we stop it now, then it allows other restaurants and other business owners to continue to have their own personal religious views and not be affected by, government telling them that they can't do something.
Attorney General, I understand this wasn't a court case. This involved the FAA and the city government in San Antonio. But if you would, without going too deep, help me understand the constitutional argument, the legal argument, the protections that essentially stepped in and made the argument for Chick-fil-A to be able to have a retail outlet at the airport.
Yeah, so there's the broad view that the Constitution under the First Amendment allows people to free exercise of their religious faith, and that means business owners as well. But also under federal law and under the transportation guidelines, you can't discriminate based on religious views as well. And so that's why we were asking the Department of Transportation to look at this, because they control funding for airports, and obviously they regulate those airports. And so we asked them to review that and asked them to consider whether there was a violation of First Amendment rights in the Constitution and guidelines of the Transportation Department, and they found there clearly were, and fortunately the city has agreed to backtrack and give Chick-fil-A a lease opportunity.
All right, Attorney General Ken Paxton, thank you very much for the update and for fighting for this. Look forward to maybe flying through San Antonio and getting a little Chick-fil-A sometime soon.
Yeah, it's a great day.
Great day. Appreciate it. Not today though. It's Sunday. Not open on Sunday.
That's
Ken
true.
Paxton, thank you, and their choice in America to do that.
That's right.
All right, thank you very much.